Okay, hello guys. I just recorded this 1-2 buckle my shoe video, and now we're going to reverse it in an app called InShot to see the truth about what it sounds like reversed. Okay, so when I go on InShot, load in video, I'll take that, and now we've got all that. Now all we need to do is click on that, then reverse. And now we wait 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It ended at 0. Now, let's listen what it sounds like. No way.
Hurry up, Fawcett! Skin,
Oh my. That sounds so weird. It is what people say is. Jeez. Okay, so we just found the truth about 1-2 buckle my shoe, because I showed you I edited it myself, and it actually does sound like that reversed. And he actually says help me. I don't know why reversed. I'll listen. Like, I don't get it. It's just weird. But anyways, that's the end of today's video. Bye.